hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my Vlogmas day 21. Finally, we're close to Christmas. How are you guys doing? I'm sure you guys are all set for Christmas, and I'm sure you all know why I'm this excited today by my thumbnail. And finally, we are on 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys, thank you so much. You guys made this possible. Thank you for your love. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I am not taking this for granted at all. And guys, remember I promised that when I reach my first 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please do. I'm going to drop the handles on the screen so you can also follow me there, because that's where I'm going to be revealing everything about the giveaway. And don't think this is limited to Canada subscribers. No, wherever you are, you can partake in this. And this is just me saying thank you so much guys. And if today is the first time of joining me, you're very much welcome. My name is Temidayo Ojieyan, and this channel is all about faith, food, fashion, beauty and lifestyle. If you want to see all this, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Click the like button as well as the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop new videos. And also don't forget to always share my videos. It's finally Christmas week. Who is excited again? That's me. And it's gonna be busy for me. Like, it's gonna be very busy, but I'm just gonna try as much as possible not to get myself stressed. So I already planned myself what I'll be cooking, how early I'm gonna be prepping. So today I'm gonna be doing some cooking as well, but I need to go out now to go get something. So you guys should follow me and let's rock today together. So guys, as I'm about stepping out, I found this. So I have a package, and let's see what this is. Who's coming to check what I have? Okay, your chicken is ready. Let's sit down for your things. I have to do this one. Yeah.
How's my mommy? What did you order?
This is from Nigeria and it's all wrapped up. I came here. Oh my god! Wow! Guys, can you see? Oh, this is beautiful. Guys, this was sent to me by my baby. So she sent this to me as a birthday gift all the way from Nigeria. Guys, can you see? Oh my god, this is so lovely. Wow. Thank you, Yetunde. She's a fashion designer. Like, she's so skilled and she's so good. She's such a lovely girl. I'm going to be leaving our information on the screen or the description box. Guys, this is so beautiful. My birthday gifts are rolling in already. Thank you, Yetunde. I love you, baby girl. Thank you so much. This is really beautiful. Wow. Like, when she told me she was sending something and all that, and I'm like, Why send a frame from Nigeria and all that, but I didn't know she made something beautiful for me. Oh, this is beautiful. Thank you, yesterday. Thank you so much. And Delightful Express Cargo did this. I'm gonna leave his description. He's such a reliable person. He has helped me with some cargo as well. And I have some dresses as well from her. Oh, this is for my daughter. Wow, yeah, you did. This is cute.
I can't like it.
You like it?
Can I try that?
Oh yes, this is beautiful. You can go try it out and come back. Let's see. And I'm guessing this is mine. This is supposed to be for me. This is mine. Wow. Wow, my day is so made. Like, December is such a great month for me. Wow, this is nice. Oh, nice. Keep calm, it's the queen's birthday. Oh. Yes, darling. Oh, that's beautiful. Did you change that? Okay, just wear it over your hands. Wow. Anyways, this was well wrapped. The frame was well secured. I really love this frame.
Mommy, can I see it again?
Thank I see. This is really beautiful.
Again,
You want to see the frame again?
Mommy,
Okay, I need to head out now. I need to start going out now. So these are teas for myself, my kids, and my husband.
what is for this husband?
The t-shirt.
Where?
So I'm just gonna come back to get this all sorted out. Rumzy, can you help me with this? Just take it upstairs. I need to go. He's so foggy and it snowed some days ago, and it's raining, foggy, everything. My car has been dirty, and thank God it's raining. Oh Lord. I just got to where I would need to shop, but I'm enjoying this music, so I want to have more time. Okay guys, let's go. So I just got to No Frills, where I actually love shopping my vegetables, my fresh vegetables, because the prices are okay and you definitely get fresh items. Guys, so bad. I have packing gel as my hairstyle and I'm going out in the rain. I didn't bother to get a shower cap. I'm on my own today. Oh my god. I need to get my shopping bags. Oh, I think I actually forgot. I forgot to get my face mask as well. That should be in the car. First. Wow, God, it's so expensive. So, for my fried rice, I usually like green pepper. Wow, it's dark. Oh, so I'm done. It's really dark already and it's just past 4. So I have all my vegetables for salad and fried rice, and I'm going to the meat market place because I got an order and the client doesn't want sausage in fried rice. She wants liver, so that's why I'm going to the meat market today. And also I need to get another type of chicken. Tata's meat market. Late already. So guys, I'm back home and I'm so hungry. I have some food in the freezer that I'm about to eat. Let me show you guys what I'm about to eat. I'm about to eat steamed rice with pepper soup. I brought this pepper soup out from the freezer since morning. It's goat meat and assorted with moi moi. I guess this is the last moi moi. And steamed rice. I am so hungry, guys. When I cook this rice, I didn't put salt. So because while I was parboiling it, I think I was busy and I left the rice on the stove for too long. So by the time I was going to rinse out the water, I liked the texture, it was okay. So I didn't want to put salt and return it back on the stove. And guys, I love it. Like, since then I'm like, I don't think I'm going to be putting salt in my steamed rice. And the fact that it's healthy, I know some people that don't eat salt and they don't put salt in their steamed rice. So guys, let me know if there's anyone that does this. And it's not bad, like, especially when you're eating it with stew or anything, vegetables. It's not bad, like, it's whatever you're eating it with has salt already and it's sweet. So guys, let me enjoy my food. It's yummy. Okay guys, thank you. Rumzy, why are you looking that way? Thank you guys for watching today's Vlogmas. I hope you do enjoy today's Vlogmas. And also don't forget to leave a comment. And if you do not put salt in your steamed rice as well, please kindly leave a comment. Let me know if there's anyone that does this. And I'm so glad I tried this and I really like it. So see you tomorrow. Bye.